I was going down interstate. It's the busiest interstate in Alabama at that interchange. Had a bus load of children, several teachers going on a field trip, and I'm doing my thing, obeying traffic laws. Right as we were getting to that interchange, a car comes around me, cuts me off, and before I could react, the collision mitigation technology took over. The bus stopped enough to get that car out of the way. All of this happened in a matter of 2 or 3 seconds. On that day, I was thankful that technology was on that bus.
Bus took over, put the brakes on. Everybody on the bus is elated. They're clapping. They're wanting to give him high five. The near miss changed my heart on what I consider important on a school bus. This is Cullman County District you're looking at. As you can see, we've got pins on all of our routes. This is 4,300 miles that we cover in one day. We're picking up about 5,000 students. A lot of opportunity for an accident, so we want to do everything we can to make that route safe. Cullman County has 109 school buses on route. The last buses we purchased 20 buses that had the collision mitigation system on it with the radar. My initial reaction, I was very skeptical. My mind is not easily changed. Hearing about the collision mitigation system is one thing, but actually seeing it is an eye-opener. The driver reaction was a little apprehensive. Anytime we introduce new technology on the school bus, there's a little anxiety goes with that.
We were all trained at one time on what to expect. Not only does it tell you when you're getting close to an object, it will also, if you get too close, it will apply the brakes for you. This system, it's already being used in personal vehicles, so why wouldn't it be available on a vehicle that's carrying such precious cargo, you know?
We are all bus drivers at Cullman County School Systems.
Being a bus driver, safety is number one. I believe any extra safety devices or measures on the bus would be a big help.
Every day you meet someone that's over in your lane or a little too close. I drive a lot of back roads near the lake where it's almost like a roller coaster ride. There's just constant people driving and not paying attention. Lots of distractions.
Yeah, I mean, you've got animals, you've got vehicles, you've got big trucks. I mean, if you've got 40 kids behind you also.
Any kind of new technology is very welcoming from any bus driver.
You would think this collision mitigation system would be expensive compared to other options equipped with the bus, and it's really not. Cullman County was the first system in the state to receive the collision mitigation with a wingman advance. The state had not approved the Fusion system for the state of Alabama. It has a camera that's actually mounted on the windshield. Since then, they have seen the importance of that, so we now are certified to have the Fusion system, and they will be on my next buses.